G'day, g'day, it's Beanz here. It's Friday the 22nd of July in a little bit of a wet Hanoi today is where I'm coming at you. Just doing quick, gonna show you guys a little bit around the old quarter today. This will be the first of two I do around the old quarter. I want to show you something that's pretty interesting, so it's a separate vlog. So, been here for a couple of days, sussed it out a little bit. It's a charming old town, this one. Really interesting the way it's laid out, especially the old quarter. Heading tonight to Beer Street and the Walkin Street that's around there that opens only Friday, Saturday, Sunday. But yeah, I've had a lot of fun yesterday just exploring. Tried egg coffee for the first time. There's a short up for that. What's this? G'day mate, how are you? Xin chao. Yeah, I'm okay brother, thank you. So, just give you a bit of a look around here. This will only be a really short one. We'll probably go about 5-10 minutes. I'm walking off, it's game day today. The Mighty Eagles are playing St. George. So, I'm on my way there a little bit early. We're gonna get a feed. Lots of food options around here. Did the normal, had a banh mi on the first night, banh mi 21. Really very good setup. They've got the little, they cook it on one side of the road and the seating area on the other, which is pretty unique. But yeah, some of the streets, like I can't really show you here, that's why I'm gonna do a separate vlog. There's like all the same sort of shops on the one street. So you have, like example, there's one street, which every shop's like hardware, or most of them. So like, you know, if you're in America, I think you call it Home Depot. In Australia, we've got Bunnings. So it's like the Bunnings street. And then when you go, the street running parallel is all your stationery and office supplies. So in Australia, we've got a store called Officeworks. So I've kind of nicknamed that Officeworks Street. And then there's another street that runs between the two where you get all your, you know, your material, haberdashery kind of stuff, which is, there's a shop in Australia called Spotlight. So I've kind of nicknamed it the Spotlight Street. So we're heading up here. This is about a 800-900 metre walk, a little bit of drizzle. But as you can see, a lot happening here. You know, we're in the capital. There's a little, kind of a charm about this old quarter. A lot of people walking around, food vendors, lots of coffee stores, barbers, that sort of stuff. Had my first little fail for the trip on Wednesday when I got in. I'm normally very, very strict on, especially in Vietnam, on what taxi I use. It's always, if I haven't booked a driver, it's always been a son. I got out of Hanoi airport and just went with the first taxi there because it was like, yeah, let's just do it. He goes to me, meter, and that's cool. That's what you do. I'm thinking maybe 300,000-400,000. Well, then when we got to the motel, we almost took the wrong way. It was like 550,000, and I'm like, oh well, give the guy a tip, go 600. He goes, oh no, 700. So I'm like, oh mate, you said meter. So we negotiated the 600, then I found out the hotel I could have got there for 350. So probably cost me double the amount, but you do learn from that sort of stuff. So we just have a bit of a look here. You can see there's heaps of bikes, probably busy, a little bit busier than Saigon, just not as crazy. Got your, all this stuff. This is the kind of thing, like, so in this, you can see there, you got all your, you know, doors and hardware sort of stuff. The street that I'm staying in is very much like that, that's why I said I'm staying in Bunnings Street, which is pretty cool. So you've got here, it's kind of like a donut kind of pastry they're making there. So walk through, gotta wish my wife here, crossing the road. Gonna be fun. as you can see. And you got the little, you know, the norm for Vietnam, the plastic tables and chairs. Me, you know, for the big man they give me 2. As I've told you guys earlier. Yeah, well, it's a bit fucking slippery. I'm gonna walk on the road. You see there's a lot of activity. Like it's 1:30 in the afternoon. Definitely, I reckon, even not including for the rain, it's significantly cooler than Hanoi. than Hoi An. Get my Hanois and my Hoi Ans mixed up. Hang on a second to make a run for it. Yeah, significantly cooler, which is good. I think that's why there's more people out during the day. That was the big thing. Hoi An during the day was dead, and I had kind of got in the routine where I was up and doing stuff in the morning, chill out in my motel, and then go out at night. So look here. So some sort of fish. Just gonna hang a go up this street. When I was up this street yesterday, very like a food market, a lot going on. You can see lots of the food shops are flat out already. So yeah, the cafe I'm going to is called Puku Cafe. It's 3 stories. They show all the international sport, do coffee, good food. So yeah, what we do, so as you can see here, this is where we've got all the food stalls and like people selling, like we've got noodles here. Oh yeah, here you look at all the rice noodles. Not sure what they smell, but it's still there, but it does smell. We'll get up a bit further and we've got like all the sea, well it was yesterday, maybe they won't be out now, it's wet, but all the seafood and stuff like that. So the pool. Bit of King of Flavour being sold in there, the MSG. You can see the rain's kind of pushed a lot of them away today. It's disappointing. So, but like that, the sun's already back out. So, she's good. There we go. See all your veggies and stuff here. No, I'm good, thanks, brother. Have a good day. So yeah, all of a sudden the sun's out and it's a little bit warm again. So you've got bun cha, which I'm going to try for the first time today. So there's cooking the. We'll jump in there and have a quick look. So you're cooking it over the flame. Got the fan gun, that's why the smoke's there. It's pretty cool. So you can see here, this is where you've got all your eggs. So it's kind of sad that it was raining because all this stuff was out earlier. Like when I come through yesterday, there were people selling fish, everything. So I might have to come back up here and show you that another time. You can see over the road there, you got all your, if I zoom in, got a lady there selling all your veggies and your produce. Like they even had meat here, like there were people selling, you know, big chunks of pork and beef and that, which was pretty cool. Got the phone charged up, I've got everything with me, so today there's gonna be a lot of content. Gonna really try, like I'm filming a lot of stuff, so when I get to my next location, I'm gonna be there for a bit, so there'll be a lot more time for me to edit and give you guys some really good content, which is what I want to do. You know, there won't be many live streams. I've got a surprise one coming Wednesday from a surprise location. That'll probably be the last live stream for a little while. Just going to concentrate on a few other things. So we're coming up here. There's heaps of food stuff here, a little bit more Western stuff as well. So we crossed the road. I'm probably about, I don't know, 5-10 minutes away from Puku, if that, or probably 5. Give you a bit of a, we'll zoom out and give you a bit of a look. You've got like all these little stores. Like I'm sure there are, obviously not in the old quarter, but Hanoi definitely would have malls. I haven't really had much look. I'm not interested in going to malls when I'm in Asia. It's not what I'm here for. But you can see that most people can get what they need staying within the old quarter region. So we'll cross here while it's not so quiet. Without. There you go, did that well. So yeah, today there's a couple of things I'm going to do for the first time today. I haven't had beer hoi, so I'm going to go to a beer hoi place and try it. Beer hoi is more of it's a fresh beer made daily. It's lower strength, it's like a mid-strength beer. It's like about 5,000 to 10,000 dong, so it's very, very cheap. Apparently it tastes pretty good. So that will be one thing I'll be doing this afternoon. I'll have some lunch, watch the football, and then Beer Street opens about 7 o'clock. So looking forward to it. I've got in a bit of a routine at the moment. I generally don't drink during the week. So really Friday, Saturday I have a few. Have one big night, and it's just so much better. You get to do so much, you're not hungover. You know, really hangover time is a bit of a waste. But you can see here, as we make our way up, you know, you've got your little, like a white goods and homeware shop there. So, might be a little bit longer than I thought because there's a couple of things I do want to show you. Again, same street, shop, 2 doors down. Same sort of stuff. Lots of fans, homewares. Kind of like if you're an Australian, your Harvey Norman kind of thing. Really nice smell here. You've got some fried chicken. It smells delicious. I smelled it yesterday, I didn't know where it was coming from. So you see here, rice hookers, hello, Xinxia. Everything that you need for your home. And then we'll come up around the corner, same sort of stuff. So it's really unique how they do it. I'll do a short one from, only though it was raining, I'll do a short one from Bunnings and Officeworks Street. It's pretty cool. So we'll just walk through. See here, you got all your lighting stuff. You know, and it's pretty smart because there's a lot of, amongst all this, there's a lot of hotels. So I'm sure they'd run out of lights and shit like that. You know, we go around the corner here and same sort of thing. Oh yeah, textiles and shit like that. It's a really interesting way they do it. So I'm almost here. So heading up the next street, I'm not even trying to say names of streets, I butchered it. You saw me in Saigon, I couldn't say the street. It took me to say Bumlo now, and I still get it wrong. It took me about seven days to learn that one. So we'll walk up here. And this is the street that the cafe is on. And just like, you know, heaps of food. A few beer hoi places. Banh mi, bun bao cha. We'll just slow this down. Just here, look. All the little, the smells here is amazing. All the different foods and stuff like that. Your faux bow. I had one of the boys that watches all my stuff, Horizontal, was telling me just to be a bit cautious of the faux up here. Like, why am I saying fur? The fur, not the faux. Apparently some of them have a little surprise. Maybe it's not beef. So yeah, I'm a little bit nervous about that. But there's a lot of chicken fur up here. I'm going to end it in a minute. I just wanted to give you guys a real quick look at a quick snapshot of the old quarter. Definitely glad that I chose around here to stay. It's it isn't old because it's old quarter. It's got that charm about it. Not as probably not as clean as Hoi An, but it's a massive city, bigger population. It is the capital. So I'll show you this Puku and then I'm going to call it a video. I'll get this out. So today's the 22nd. Probably have this out for you by the 23rd or 24th. So, and like I said, the rest, there'll be a lot more. I've been filming probably the last week, just with the idea of when I get to my next location, I'm gonna have great internet and really be able to pump it out for you. So yeah, just coming up here, just you see where all these little marquees are. This is Puku. This is all just there. And if I turn to here, these are all just food shops. Whole row of them that I walked up last night just having a look at. So you got your broken rice with your chicken, fried chicken. That's some garang. I say it wrong, that's alright. And then up here, you head towards Mapping, same thing, all food. So guys, I'm going to call it a video. Thank you for watching as always. Remember, smash the like, hit the alert. If you want to see more of this, if you want to see more, subscribe. I've still got one more content on the way for another 7 weeks. I've got a backlog of footage. Really going to give you guys, as I stop at the pub, the Happy Pub, a lot of content. So guys, thank you very much for watching. Have a great weekend.